Greetings, everybody. The good way of Edo State. I'm your brother, the wounded. You see this governorship election that is coming in Edo State? I want to tell you people something. I want to tell you people where I stand. You see, you that is supporting Obaseki, it's your right. I thank you. You that is also supporting Ize-Iyamu, it's your right too. I thank you. I have nothing against you. Support whoever you like. It's your choice. And you have the right to. There are some people today who is supporting Ize-Iyamu. Because Ize-Iyamu is in APC now. People like that were against Ize-Iyamu when he was PDP 4 years ago. And they are supporting Ize-Iyamu today because he's in APC. So you believe in political party. I thank you too. Some people that is supporting Obaseki now, who is always against Obaseki before, but because he is in PDP now, you are supporting Obaseki. I thank you for it. It's your choice. Some people that was in APC before, who joined PDP now just because of Obaseki is no longer in APC. I thank you people. It's your choice. There are some people today in APC who hate Obaseki, who don't like, who is criticizing Obaseki now don't like Obaseki. Just because Obaseki is no longer in APC. You believe in party. It's your responsibility to criticize any candidate, anybody that is not in your party, the political party you support. It is your choice. You have the right to. And in PDP too. Ize-Iyamu was your friend when he was in PDP. Now that he's in APC, you don't like him anymore. It's your choice, my brother. It's your choice. But me, the wounded, I am supporting Governor Godwin Obaseki. Not because of his political party. I don't give a shit about his political party. 4 years ago, I was supporting Ize-Iyamu. I was supporting Ize-Iyamu. Today, I have seen the truth. While I was supporting Ize-Iyamu, I was afraid, thinking, Oshiomhole want to be the godfather he fought against. Obaseki will be Oshiomhole's boy. But Obaseki proved the whole world wrong. He proved me wrong. He have been fighting like a man. He have proved to Oshiomhole he is a do man. He is a man. Oshiomhole wants to remove him. Today, Oshiomhole is at home. And by the grace of God, Governor Godwin Obaseki is still the governor. And he must complete his 4 years. Why am I supporting Governor Obaseki? I said I was with Ize-Iyamu 4 years ago. Because I hate godfatherism. I hate political godfatherism with passion. I hate it. I don't want a situation where one man will sit in his parlor and be telling you, you will be president, you will be governor, you will be senator. Just like what Tinubu is doing in Lagos. Edo is not Lagos. Edo can never be Lagos. That was the reason why I was supporting Ize-Iyamu 4 years ago. But Obaseki proved us wrong. That no, he is a man. Oshiomhole cannot. He took an oath to serve Edo people, not to serve Oshiomhole. And for that, I will always support Obaseki. Let me tell you people something. You that is still shouting, because I post something on my wall, makes a video a few days ago. I saw some comment, some Edo comments. Look, let me tell you people something. You see all these roads, all those erosion, all those bad roads you guys are posting now, just to tarnish the image of the governor, just to make the people think the governor is bad. I thank you too, you know, posting pictures of erosion, bad roads, even the road that is good now, the road that was unmotorable, the road that was bad during Oshiomhole's time. You are now bringing it up now to be rubbishing the governor now. Just you are playing politics, and I thank you. But I want you to know, if you really love your people, if you want Edo State to move forward, don't forget also, post it on your wall. Tell the world the 30 billion Edo Water Storm Project Oshiomhole collected from Edo Treasury. Post it on your wall. It is time for Oshiomhole to come and give account of that money. So you see where you people are failing. You can post something on your wall about bad rules to rubbish the governor, but you can post it on your wall too to say, where is the 30 billion your slave master Oshiomhole, the short man, took from Edo? You don't talk about that. You see where you people are failing. Let me tell you people something. Like I said, I don't give a shit about your political party, but I believe in the person. You see, 4 years ago, a certain man, Oshiomhole, that short man, told you people, you know what? Ize-Iyamu, is the devil himself. That he cannot hand over to Ize-Iyamu because he would destroy Edo. He's a cultist. He called him all sorts of names. 4 years ago, the same man said, Governor Obaseki is the right person. He even said that God knows our hearts. He said so many good things to promote Governor Obaseki. The same man now, even somebody like Tony Kabaka came on, makes a video and say, 2016 governorship election, they rigged it. They rigged it. They rigged 2016 governorship election in Edo. That Edo choice was Ize-Iyamu. That they rigged it. If it is true that they rigged it, who rigged it? It's Oshiomhole. The same Oshiomhole now is one supporting Ize-Iyamu. And to you, all is fine, no problem. You must be sick. You must be sick. If you, anybody, especially those of us living in diaspora, if you support this kind of nonsense, it's a man, one man, who insulted, it was on the news that they said Tony Aneni's son endorsed Ize-Iyamu. I said, cock and bull stories anyway. Even if it is true, who give a shit if Tony Aneni's son endorsed Ize-Iyamu? To hell with this Tony Aneni's son. If Tony Aneni's son is really a son of his father, he will not be talking nonsense. This is a man who insulted your father. You call him all sorts of names. Even accuse him that he was trying to assassinate him. He wants to be the godfather. If he insulted your father for, you are not the true son of your father. I don't know if it is true, if it is just a propaganda. You know, these APC people, they are very good in propaganda. But I want you people to know, if you are in diaspora, in Edo, and you support this idiot, these people, to be encouraging godfatherism, saying Ize-Iyamu to become the governor of Edo, you people should be ashamed of yourself. You are sick. You need some medical attention. Oshiomhole political career is finished. I don't believe in political party. Even though if Governor Obaseki is the worst governor in Nigeria, but because of how Oshiomhole, according to this group of people that is criticizing, who's fighting against the governor, saying he did not carry the party members along. He is the governor for the whole Edo, not only for APC, not only for party members. He is the governor to serve Edo, the whole Edo, to serve Edo people, not to be serving party members. That is the reason why you guys have been fighting the governor. We all know what is going on. The time of Agbewu recently have passed. Edo is for everybody. You guys threaten federal might, you will ring it, federal, come and do the federal might. Come and do the federal might. There was federal might when you lose rivers, when you cross River State. There were federal might when you lose other states. You lose some, you win some. Forget federal might. Forget federal might. So what I'm saying, this is not about political party. It's about this kind of, it's supposed to be a revolution, and it's going to be a revolution to change things around, to open the eyes of the Lagosians, to rise up and fight for them right, to tell Tinubu enough is enough. That is what we are going to do in Edo. It's not about political party, whether, even though if Obaseki is the worst governor in Nigeria, I don't care. But now, Oshiomhole must turn out this way. Because the same Oshiomhole said, this man Ize-Iyamu is a criminal, a cultist, that he poured acid on somebody's private part. 4 years ago. The same man now, because he wants to remove the governor, he could not find any other person. You have to go and bring the same person. It is a shame. It will be slap on our face. We are not fools. No. This 2020. Look, these things you guys are doing. Sit down and reason. Think well. How can Oshomole tell you this? After 4 years, not. No. Oshomole, he has been kicked out. He has been kicked out. His political career is finished. Let him remain in Iyamo. We retire him now. Obaseki is a man. Even though if he lose this coming election, he has proved to this set of corrupt politicians, this Agbeus in Edo, that yes, we can still change things around in Edo. That is the reason why I'm supporting Obaseki. And I'll continue to support Obaseki. It doesn't matter if it's in PDP or in APC. If you, my brother, sometimes we tell some people PDP, say, hey, corrupt. Let me ask you one thing. Tell me any governor in PDP today that would come to APC, they will reject and say no, because you are from PDP, we will reject you. It is me and you fight for nothing. Like, this party is corrupt, this party is not. We are all Nigerians. We are Nigerian before political party. Don't be deceived. All political parties are the same. Tell me any governor in PDP, like I said before, that would come to APC today. APC will reject any governor from PDP. They will welcome him, come. They will say, oh, PDP is from PDP, the corrupt political party. It is me and you that is fighting over political party. So don't fight over political party. Support Governor Godwin Obaseki. Obaseki must complete his 4 years. Obaseki must complete this to show to these people think they own Edo. Every time you guys make noise, you think Edo is for you alone. Forget. So one love, my brothers and sisters, support Governor Godwin Obaseki. All this video of erosion, if they can post video of erosion, let them post the 30 billion Oshomole collected few months before leaving office. He collected that money to solve this erosion problem in Edo. If you can post we have erosion problem in Lagos. We have erosion all over Nigeria, especially in the southeast. They are all Imo, Abia, they have erosion problem there. They have erosion problem in Delta. I'm not saying this because they have erosion everywhere. The government, repair our roads, but they have it everywhere. Don't use it to play politics here. There was erosion problem when Oshomole was there. That is the reason he collected 30 billion. Let him come and explain. Tell us how he spent that 30 billion with Clemagba and Afegboa. Let them come and explain to us. Don't be deceived. Thank you and God bless.